it's Hannah here from the Personal Wellness Project. I hope you're all doing well. Welcome to episode 4. To finish off the well-being section of the project, we're going to talk about the importance of having good connections with yourself and with other people, and how these have a positive impact on your well-being. So let's get started. As you might remember, in our second video, we gave you some top tips to promote your well-being. So as a little reminder, we're going to go through them now. Do things that bring you happiness. Find a purpose that motivates you. Work on building good relationships with others and yourself, and recognizing your accomplishments. Today, we are focusing on what it means to have good relationships with others and yourself. This is known as relatedness. Relatedness is the universal want to interact, be connected to, and experience caring for others. As humans, we are social creatures. We like to connect with other people, work with others, care for others, have a sense of belonging, and generally have fruitful relationships. We need to connect with other human beings, and as a result, when we do connect, it boosts our well-being, because social connection can improve our happiness and perceptions of support, gives us a sense of satisfaction in supporting and caring for others, and allows us to develop empathy. This need to be social is called relatedness. Think about a time when you have not felt your best, but then you've connected with a friend or a family member, a tutor. Just by talking and interacting with that person, you've gained a sense of feeling better. A time when connecting with others has made you feel happier. We need to feel that we're an important part of social connections, that we belong, to help us function at our best. Let me bring this to life for you with a little example. Being part of a club is a really good example of how social connections and that feeling of belonging can help boost our well-being. Regardless of the type of club, whether it's a sporting activity or something a little bit more creative like art and design, these clubs enable us to engage in a shared activity or competition with other people, whether we know them particularly well or not. Attending and engaging in a shared activity as part of a club can help us to mix with other people and feel connected to them. You get all those lovely feel-good emotions by connecting with other like-minded people. These people greet you, share an activity, or even reminisce on previous activities that you've shared together. A subtle way of satisfying the relatedness need, a little more subtly, is through recognition. You can experience this or help someone else to experience this quite easily. This can be as simple as recognizing someone or being recognized by someone. It could be a smile to a stranger. Essentially, we like to feel valued, and someone recognizing us makes us feel that way. At the core of relatedness is the need that we matter to others. Here are 3 top tips to help someone feel valued today, and perhaps you might feel valued too. Acknowledge someone, anyone. This could be when you wake up in the morning to the person that you live with, the bus driver, the person at your local shop. Make eye contact and maybe even smile at them, just to acknowledge that you see them. Try to support someone else. We want to feel that another person is connected to us as a person and understand what we are feeling. Why not check in with a friend today and try to support them in however they are feeling? Impact someone's day in a positive way. We want to feel that we matter to others. This could be as simple as paying a compliment or sharing a joke with someone. With that in mind, your activity for today is to firstly check in with yourself. Take that mindful breath. Notice your feelings. How do you feel today? Label your feelings. Are you happy, content, lonely, bored? Accept those feelings. It's absolutely okay to feel the way that you do. All emotions are valid and they are real. But your emotions and thoughts are not you. If they're difficult, it will pass. You are not your emotions and you are not your thoughts. Focus on doing things that bring you joy, and most of all, be kind to yourself. Second, check in with someone else. It is well known that performing acts of kindness or helping others can make people feel happy. Indeed, it is thought that helping others can produce more happiness than helping yourself. This is because happiness is a psychological reward that tells us that a problem we are faced with has been solved. Therefore, caring for a family member or friend helps to signal the brain that the problem has been solved, and that as a consequence, we experience feelings of happiness and well-being. So today, make an effort to check in with someone else that you care about. See them in person for a catch-up, grab a coffee with a classmate, video call or message a friend or family member. Go and give it a go and see how it feels. Make sure you let us know in the comments. I hope you have a lovely day full of really nice connections, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. We've come to the end of episode 4. Thank you so much for signing in and listening today. I really hope that you found it useful. See you soon for the next episode.